Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how to bypass Windows 11 upgrade requirements. First you need to download Windows 11 ISO image from the official Microsoft page, the link will be in the description. Just follow my steps. I have already downloaded the ISO file, so I won't now. So, when the download is finished, we actually want to change some installation files inside that ISO image. So you need to make a new folder for us to extract files from the ISO image to that new folder. Now, when you run setup, you will see that the error will pop up saying that this PC doesn't meet the minimum requirements to install Windows 11. The basic thing we want to do is not to let Windows 11 installation check our PC configuration. In order to achieve that, we need to delete one file that is responsible for giving Windows 11 installation instruction to check our PC configuration. Open up Sources and look for this file. You need to delete it in order to successfully install Windows 11. When the file is deleted, you can run the setup to install Windows 11. When you open Setup, make sure to leave this box unchecked, then click here and select Not Right Now. As you can see, the installation skipped checking our PC configuration and the Windows is ready to install. Click here and choose which files you want to keep, or if you want the installation to delete everything on your PC, select Nothing. Finally, click Install and the installation will begin. You can also make a bootable USB with these files and run the installation from there. Thank you guys for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials.